Hey everybody, this is George again at the Volo Auto Museum. We're going to be doing a virtual test drive on a 1977 Firebird Formula. This one we just got back from the shop. We spent about $1,600 on placing the rear wheel cylinders, cleaning and adjusting the machine brake drums. Rebuilt the car, replaced fuel line, resurfaced exterior manifolds. So, window rolls up pretty nicely. There. Start her up. Starts right up. Gives you a little warning to fasten the seatbelt. Go ahead and do that. Don't need Johnny Law after me. Clicks right in. Alright, let's see if these wipers work. Oh yeah, both speeds. Oh, and it returns back. Love that. Alright, let's see. Has AC. Fan works. Blows cold air. It's missing the cigarette lighter there. We'll go ahead and make sure we replace that in there. Has two radios. Has the factory radio and someone put in their own down here. Unfortunately, neither of them work, but what is good is that since it does have the original, this you can buy the plate. We can remove that, just put the blank plate on there, make it look back to the original. So let's go ahead and take this baby for a test drive. Put it in drive. Indicator works. Really comfortable. This interior is redone nice. Clicker stops. Speedometer, fuel gauge works. It's in about 1/8 of a tank. Seems to be the norm right now. Drive straight. Make it real smooth, cushiony. A lot of times you get in trouble with the white interior, but this is really done nice and super clean. See how the brake. Steering's real responsive. Stop straight. Ride smooth. You still get to hear the purr of that engine. Like I said, she's not a rocket ship, but gets up and goes just fine, and just a real beautiful car. Steering auto corrects. That's that. Yep. Left indicator works too. See if the horn blows. Yep. Even got the horn working. And the oil, the water, and then the amp lights, if anything's wrong, they do light up red. Really nice steering here. This nice gentleman get a little bit ahead of us. Shifts through the gears nice. Doesn't jump on you or kind of get hung up at all. Don't hear a lot of wind coming through the windows or anything when you're getting up to speed. Oh, nice, no rattling either. As you've seen in some of the other videos, if you're subscribed to us, this road is a little bouncy. So anytime you're going down here, it's not abnormal to hear some clanking around, but in this one, smooth. Let's turn around here. Oh, such ease with this power steering. Great turning radius. Really just one hand. Let's get on her a little. Just feels nice right there. So it's still driving straight. Good. Well, I appreciate you following me along, and make sure you click subscribe if you haven't already for the YouTube channel so you can get all the updates, turn on those notifications. And then also go to volocars.com. Jay gets this on the in the photo room, spins it around, goes through all the additional specs. So yeah, thanks a lot. Look forward to seeing you next time.